nuts about this cable for my label maker because this thing fucking chews through batteries. And I just kind of took a guess. Of course, it doesn't work. I'll show you why. See that pin there tells you that positive pin is in the middle, negative's on the outside. I'm talking about this thing. So they're saying the positive's in the middle and the negative is this part here. I'm pointing at the screen like you guys can see it. That's funny. So what we need to do is switch these wires around, which I'm going to do here to fix it. I'm just going to put the black on the red and the red on the black, and that should fix that. That's how you do that. Fucking blurry camera. I don't know what's up with that. You're getting 24 frames per minute per second or whatever. So here's the setup. Just got the soldering iron. I pre-cut these little chunks of heat shrink. It's a solder. That's the solder I use. That's the best shit. It's got the flux infused in it. It's good in the field. And then I'm just basically gonna take the ends here, tin them, and that just means putting a little solder on each end here. And then we solder them together. First I gotta put the heat shrink on. You gotta be careful you don't heat it up too much or else you'll shrink it over the wire, and then I'll show you when it's done what it looks like. Alright, so this is how you basically want it to end up. Then you just slide these over. And you just shrink them down. Like that. Another piece here to cover both of them. That's it. New cable. Let's see if it works. There you go. Ah, favorite label. Love that one.